Hey guys, it's Sandro here from Carcraft Auto Detailing in Melbourne. I just wanted to share with you today some images of my mobile detailing van's restoration process. This was actually the quickest restoration I've ever done on a vehicle. It represents about 100 hours of work I put into it and took just over a week to complete. It's a 1990 Toyota Light Ace and was in desperate need of some love and affection when I bought it. But I was drawn to it as it's quite a rare sight to see one in decent condition on the roads today. I actually love this little van and I get a lot of compliments about it from my customers. It does everything I need it to do without being bright, loud, flashy, or in your face. It's just a clean, honest, and quality hard-working van, and I think it represents me as a detailer to a T. I'll leave you with the rest of these images now. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
work, work.